Welcome to What's Cooking with Paula Deen. Spend a little time with Paula as she talks to her fans, makes some great dishes, helps with cooking problems, and she even gives some useful tips on how to make cooking easier and a whole lot more fun. Join us each week for What's Cooking with Paula Deen. If you have any questions or would like to talk to Paula, please send an email to podcast@pauladeen.com. Now, let's join Paula and see what's cooking today.
So come on. And the ladies are all gathered in the great room. Y'all talk.
Oh, are we supposed to talk?
We got Juju here and Carolyn.
We're so glad to be here.
These are all of my mother's friends. Lifelong friends, neighborhood friends, long-time friends. This is Anita, and this is Marie, and they are neighborhood friends of my mother's and daddy's. And we've got Alice over here, Alice's daughter and I grew up together. Doris Lorig over there, we're lifelong friends. Peggy Gillibo that lived next door to, how many years? 35 years lived next door to Mother and Daddy, and I grew up knowing her. And we've got my mother over here, the birthday girl, and Mary Russell. So, all right, and I got Doris, I got them all. All right, come on out to the kitchen where the girls are cooking.
I got it.
Okay. And what color? All right, we've got a warm chicken salad, traditional deviled eggs. We've got grilled pimento cheese sandwich with a sliced red tomato on it. We got fried green tomatoes with a dollop of
Dill mayonnaise.
And then black-eyed pea relish. And then we've got roasted root vegetables with a pine nut pesto.
There's blue. Let me give you a
Hey, Marby, they cooking.
Isn't it delicious?
So, what did you like best, Mary Brown?
Grilled pimento cheese sandwich.
Wasn't that good?
Fried green tomato on it.
Yeah.
The vegetables were different. That was
Those were root vegetables and had a little pesto sauce on them. They were good, weren't they?
yeah, delicious.
Different and good.
How beautiful! Come on, you can do it. You can do it. I'll help you.
Come on, ladies, we're gonna corral up and have our picture made. Come on, Doris, y'all get in. Y'all come, where's Sandra with the camera? Have you tried to move 26 that can hardly move, walk, eat, or chew? I'm just thank you, God, for not letting anyone choke.
Y'all are so beautiful.
I mean,
right.
gives me chills.
All right, she's gonna get in the next one.
Oh, okay.
How perfect.
What
All right, Paula, get in there with them so we can
What
all...
a privilege it is. Y'all truly are the creme de la creme of Albany, Georgia.
You
and
got
what a
it.
privilege it is for me to be here amongst you fine, fine women. All right, where can I get? Do any of y'all still play bridge?
Yes.
Is she the oldest?
Yes. And you look like you're about 20.
How do you like my facial?
I tell you what.
It's only my second facial in the world. I don't have any makeup on now.
None?
I put a little blush on them.
You look great. You don't need
It feels like a baby's butt. When are you going on tomorrow?
Next week. First
Next week.
First thing next week.
Well,
I can't
it feels
wait to
so
get
good.
back.
Let me tell you.
And if you notice gunk on me, she gave me an oatmeal mask.
Oh, did she?
Yeah, so I got oatmeal all in my eyebrows. If I could lick them, I would.
All right, now, is that something you can do at home for yourself?
No.
An oatmeal, you cannot do it for yourself at home?
I wouldn't want to.
I don't think you can do it correctly.
Okay.
Right.
Well,
and I
eat a lot of oatmeal, so maybe that'll help.
well, save you,
You gotta
a couple
put it
of
on your face.
save you a couple of tablespoons, Aunt Peggy.
Uh-huh.
At the end of the meal, and just rub it all over your face.
That's right.
Oh, I do
But
too.
I tell you what I love more than that, and that's spending time with y'all.
Well, we love you spending time with us.
I adore
when
my
you're
time
not
with
under
y'all.
the thumb.
I
which
know
is
it, and I
nice.
can just come home and be
Paula hires and
I like that.
be with my family.
Uh-huh.
This is so special. And to go junking.
And junkie.
Hey, handsome. How long has it been since I've seen you? It wasn't that long, was it?
What?
That we were here. Y'all, this is Judy Holman. She and I were cheerleaders together.
That's right.
The girl had the prettiest legs I've ever seen in my whole life.
Well, they're all covered.
Paula, I just wanted to Carolyn! Oh my God! Come back. This is Barbara. Look, she hadn't aged a bit. A little biatch. This is David Campbell. This is Carolyn Crum. Carolyn and I played together as little girls. Our parents were like best friends.
We played Jack.
We played Jack Stones together, honey.
That's it.
Look so beautiful. Well, thank you. Thank you.
We were lucky. I mean, the guys were lucky. Had pretty girls like this in class. We had it made.
Oh my God, Patricia Whitman! Oh God! Now I've got to tell y'all something. This is Patricia Whitman. She was on our cheerleading squad. She was the only one that could do those flips and all that back stuff, that fancy stuff. Us other girls just had to swish our hips and kind of look cute.
And look good.
Oh my God! Another one of the cheerleading squad, Gail Hughes. Her legs were from the floor to the highest head.
I had one of my first dates with Gail one time, and I went to try to kiss her goodnight. And I was up like this,
to get on the
and when I did, she slapped me. I'll never forget that. Boom, that was it.
The space that you live in really affects the way you feel. So my first recommendation is start by updating your window treatments with Smith & Noble. Smith & Noble's beautiful handcrafted blinds, drapes, shades, and shutters are custom-made just for you, and they offer different service options to fit your needs. To get started today, contact Smith & Noble to get my special limited-time offer, 25% off on your window treatments, plus free design consultation. Create a space that you're gonna love. For details about my special offer, go to smithandnoble.com/Paula. That's smithandnoble.com/Paula, or call 1-800-659-3300. That's 1-800-659-3300.
They call me Judy Bart. Used to be Bart in high school. And the thing that I remember about Paula is that she never forgets her old friends. And she's always told a story about learning how to do the shag at my house. And she can do the shag a whole lot better than I can, but I feel pretty famous just knowing that Paula Deen learned how to do the shag at my house.
And Paula, just to me, was the most beautiful girl there ever was. She had this black hair and those big saucer-sized blue eyes, and she was just so much fun and hilarious. We had lots of good times together, cheerleading and laughing and taking all the trips, and just you name it, we had a great time.
Love her dearly. She's never forgotten her friends, always been a great, great friend to all of us, and we love her so much.
Oh my goodness, well, we all grew up over at Gillespie Ballpark. So Paula had it all figured out. She would saunter out of her yard and walk over to the left third base line and in short shorts and go around out in left field. And Diane Tedder lived out in right center field. And so they would catch hands and walk back, just stroll around the ballpark. Well, it stops the ball game. So I have a knot on the back of my head where I got hit with a line drive watching Paula and Diane press around the ballpark when we were about 10 or 11 years old. So if you ever want to see the knot on the back of my head, they'd stop the ball game. So she was a sport then and she's a sport now, and sure do love her.
And what I love the most about Paula is the fact that she still loves all of her friends and shows it to them anytime she can, and I just admire her for that.
I'll never forget going into the bank. It was 4 teller lines, and you'd go in on a Friday afternoon, and there would be 9 people in one line, and the other 3 lines would be nobody there. And they wouldn't look to another teller because they were trying to get them to come down. And what it amounted to is everybody wanted to go up and let Paula wait on them. I can remember going in and putting $5 in my passbook savings just to be able to get up close to Paula and say hey and cut up with her a few minutes. What a sweet lady she is, and really interesting, and we're so proud of her success and what all she's done and how she's given back to the community. And in Albany, we claim Paula, we really do, and we think she's a fantastic lady, and we wish her the best.
Join us each week for What's Cooking with Paula Deen. Spend a little time with Paula as she talks to her fans, makes some great dishes, helps with cooking problems, and she even gives some useful tips on how to make cooking easier and a whole lot more fun. If you have any questions or would like to talk to Paula, please send an email to podcast@pauladeen.com. Join Paula and see what's cooking today.